Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So maybe you got a 2007 Honda Accord, you don't have any heat, you've replaced the thermostat, still got no heat. I'm going to tell you what it might be right after this. Okay, what you're looking at here on this 2007 Honda Accord is an issue where people were lacking heat. They had some, but not enough. They had a thermostat replaced elsewhere, it's down there, and it didn't take care of the problem, so they kind of threw the towel in, so to speak, on it. But real common on these cars, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but right down here is what's called a hot cold water valve, or a heater valve. And what happens is the shaft that goes into that valve corrodes away, and this arm has nothing to bite onto, so basically it just moves the lever. You might think it's working, but it's not. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the new one for a better example. Okay, here's the new valve I'm about to install. This is an aftermarket valve made by Murray, part number 74634. Anyway, so as you can see, this lever is intact with the shaft on this, as it should be because it's brand new. This is going to take care of the heat delivery issue in this car, and just keep in mind that Honda did use this design in a lot of their products over the years, so this is a good thing to check out. Probably take an hour to replace it. Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. Really like the video. Please hit like. It's going to help me grow this channel, as I'm trying to do. And stay safe out there, and have a great night.